What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we are looking at the Lepow portable monitor. Now this is a 15.6 inch HDR 1080p display and it's only 0.3 inches thick, so it's really thin. It's actually right under 2 pounds at 1.73 pounds. Okay, so first off, got about a 4 foot long USB to USB Type-C cable for power, little baby power adapter, that's all you need. Oh, look at that. It does come with a big screen protector, just like on your phone. Very cool. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna set that off to the side for now. Okay, so in here, I was actually pleasantly surprised to see that it came with okay, that's not it, this is it. But I was pleasantly surprised to see that it comes with a HDMI to HDMI mini, which is really nice, and we're gonna need this for multiple reasons. And it also comes with a pretty heavy duty USB C to C cable. Then you got a user guide, which I don't think we're gonna need it. It's pretty straightforward. And it looks like we've got a screen protector accessory pouch. Oh, wow, look at that. It's got a nice little cover for it and everything. It also acts as the stand. Ooh, that is clean. That was pleasant. Okay, oh, it's magnetic. Oh yeah. Okay, so we'll set this off to the side for now. You can go. So this looks like it's brushed aluminum. Very nice. Look how thin that is. That is super thin. It is really, really lightweight. Wow. Now, this does not have touch capabilities. It is not a touch panel. It is a monitor. So you can use this for many things, actually. Anything that you can get an HDMI port or a USB Type-C in, you can connect it to this as a mobile monitor or a secondary monitor for a laptop, or maybe you just need a little baby monitor, something small and compact for maybe your console. You can even connect your phone up to it, and we're gonna actually test all that out. But very, very clean looking. I like this. This is very nice. This is way nicer than I thought it was gonna be. Now, it does have 2 built-in speakers on each side. On this side, you've got your mini HDMI port, your USB Type-C port, and you have a 3.5mm jack, so you can plug in your headphones directly to it. And then on the other side, you've got your second USB-C port for power. Then you've got your volume up and down. It looks like volume up and down. I'm not sure, but it's like a little rocker. Then you got your power button. Now, the stand works pretty simple. You open it up, set it up like that. Oh man, look at that. That looks nice. That's really clean. That's sick. I like it. All right, let's plug this thing in. All right. Oh, we got a little green light. Let's connect my phone to it. Completely sweat-proof. They are running off of Bluetooth 4.2. Oh, they are magnetic. Now, keep in mind, you guys are seeing a recorded version of this being transferred from here. So your image quality that you're seeing is probably not nearly as good as what I'm seeing, but it's very sharp. It's a really clean image. Man, that looks pretty good. Now, another way you can use this with your phone is if you're gaming or something. Maybe you connect your Xbox controller up to it, which I've actually got my Xbox because I want to set it up to this and see how it works, but you can actually connect the controller to your phone and then play a game that way. Okay, so on the side, like I said, you can go into volume or you can push it down and it'll go into the options, so you can change the brightness and contrast and a bunch of other basic stuff, nothing too big. Okay, so I'm gonna connect the HDMI to it. I'm gonna connect it up to my laptop. So you can treat this as just a second monitor, and it's super thin, so it's small enough to probably slide in next to your laptop in your bag. Okay, so I have this all the way up. Let's turn this up.
I guess, I don't, sounds gross. Yeah, I wonder if putting the larger...
Okay, so the speakers are pretty weak. If you have it set up in this configuration, I'd probably just switch it over to maybe the laptop that you're running it on. Let the audio come through there because most likely your laptop has better speakers than this. But you could see, maybe I have my notes here and I've got a presentation, maybe a PowerPoint or something. I could be looking at my notes while I extend the screen over. Right now it's duplicated, but I could extend the screen over and you could be looking at the presentation. So you can use it in that fashion, or just in the fashion of having dual monitors. Boom. Just bam, maybe I wanna watch myself twice. So that's really cool. All right, so the next thing, all right, so I got my Xbox One Scorpio edition. I actually unboxed it a while back. You can click right here if you wanna check it out. I'll leave a link down below too. But we're gonna try this out. Hey, I don't know if you guys can tell, but that looks pretty sharp. Wow, that is a sharp looking image. Oh! Back off, kid. Well, there we go. I mean, it works. It works really well, actually. I like it. I actually really like it. On Amazon right now, it's 4.5 star rated. It's on Amazon's Choice with almost 500 ratings, and it's only 170 bucks. And you know what? Even though the speakers aren't that great, the speakers really aren't that great. I could hear the game. I mean, it was in sync. Everything was running just fine. I'm actually pretty surprised. When I saw this, I thought maybe it would just be a gimmick, but I was wrong, actually. It's really cool. I mean, and it's very functional. Not only that, but I mean, if you like what your phone has to offer, but you just want a bigger screen, man, pick up one of these. Just immediately turn this into your entertainment monitor that you can just connect right to your phone from anywhere. As long as you got an outlet, you're good to go. Lepow, you guys did a great job. I think this is a fantastic little mobile monitor. Yeah, I'm totally gonna use this. This is fantastic. This is awesome. It's really cool. But there you go. All right, guys, well, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I highly suggest checking this out, but I leave it in your hands. But as for now, get out of here. Why do I have to be online? What is the deal? FYI, anybody play the new, what is happening? Come on, Soulcalibur, let's go. This is very nice. This is very nice. Lepow? I'm gonna say Lepow. You guys did a really good job. This is a great product. Definitely check out Lepow or Lepow. Lepow. I think it's Lepow or Lepow, sorry. Anybody out there that's actually looking for a mobile monitor, start at Lepow or Lepow or Lepow. I don't know how you pronounce it. You're gonna make fun of me in the comments already, I can tell.